Hi, welcome to DIY with Deb's channel, and today we're going to be making a tote bag, and I'll just show you what my measurement looks like. So at this point, I was just trying to get like a measurement of what I want the handle to be. I do not have so much storage on my device, so that's why I could not cover everything. So here I have to take a measurement. I wanted the top handle to be like 33 so it can be long enough, and I just went on to my material to take a measurement of the handle, and then I cut out. So mind you, I used the measurement of 30 to 33. Yeah, that's fine. And with the width of 1.5 inch, you can make it 2, you can make it 3, depending on how wide you want or how sturdy you want your handle to be like. So I have a ruler that I use for a measurement of 1 inch, and I have a ruler I use for a measurement of 1.5 inch. That's why I was not using my tape rule here. So as soon as I was done, I just went on to cut. Yeah, someone asked me a question: how do you sew a straight handle? So to make a straight stitch, be the handle or a bag or whatever, it starts with a very straight cut as well. If you can cut straight, if you can measure straight and cut straight, then that should serve as a guide for you to sew straight. It's as simple as that. You might need patience so that you get a hold of it over time. So that is that. So I was done cutting. I did not cut it all out, so I don't start looking for the second piece. Then I went on to tag it as my tote bag handle. Very important. If my workspace can be messy, and I start to look for things. So as soon as I was done cutting here, I was going to put a buckle on this tote bag. So I needed to cut out like a buckle strap. Yeah, I used the same width of ruler, and I went to cut out. I also labeled this as buckle, so I do not look for it. So that was that. I went on to cut it, and I kept it on one side. Alright, so I think that was that. Alright, so this is the buckle I'm going to be using for the tote bag strap. So now let me take you through what the measurement of the tote bag is. So the width is 14 inches wide, and the height is 10 inches wide. That's what I want. So the good thing about tote bag is you can just add measurements as you want. Then the space for the boxing is 3.5 by 1.5 and how we got that is by dividing the 3 by 2. So that is all we need for this tote bag: the bag itself, the handle, and the buckle strap, and of course your zipper if you want to put a zip. So the next video we're going to be coupling